Hi there! Since you guys seem to really love my round eyes videos, I decided to do another one, and this time is going to be really focused on eyeliner. Basically, I'm going to do two different eyeliner techniques. One that is going to make your eyes look rounder, and one that is going to make your eyes more cat-like. Let's get into it! This is going to be my round side, and this is going to be my cat eye side. I'm going to use the Essence 20 Forever Ink Liner. If you watched my other round eyes videos, you might know these things already, but I'll try to go in depth when it comes to eyeliner. Okay, let's start with the rounded side. This is actually how I used to do my liner when I was in high school. So what I'm going to do is trace a line on my entire lid. So I'm starting from the inner portion and do a pretty thick line on my eyelid. Something like that. As you can see, this eye already looks a lot rounder. Basically emphasizing the roundness in my eye. And we're going to do wing liners, so I'm going to draw a little wing here, but I'm going to make it very milder corner of my eye, let's say. I'm not going to bring it upwards or anything like that. Right here, a baby wing, let's call it. So I'm not going to make it too long. This is actually really pretty. I don't think I did my eyeliner this well in high school, but kind of something like this. If you want your eyes to look very round, you can just skip the wing and just do what I did in the beginning, just line your eyes. Now let's see how to make them more cat-like. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a half liner. I'm just going to take the liner up to the center of my lid and really make it thicker around this area. So I'm going to make kind of a straight line like that. And this part, I feel like it's optional, but it does make a huge difference. I'm going to take a black eyeshadow on a flat brush like this. You can also use an angle brush, an eyebrow brush. Just make sure that it's flat. And I'll pick up some black eyeshadow. This is the Warrior 2 by Juvia's Place. Tap off the excess. And I'm actually going to start my liner from my lower lash line. So I'm going to start here and apply the black really close to my lash line and extend it. And this is going to be a guide for my eyeliner. If you want to, you can blend that. I'm going to blend mine so it doesn't look that harsh. I feel like this really creates the illusion of a more extended eye. I got a little bit of fallout. Let's just ignore that because I tried to wipe it off and it just doesn't come off. Anyways, I'm taking my liner again, so I'll use this as guidance and do a longer liner. I'm stopping kind of like the end of my brow level. I'm going to do a straight line starting from here and connecting it to kind of the end of my iris, let's say. You need to look straight into the mirror when you're doing this. So connecting that to that with a straight line. So hard not to squeeze my mirror into my face. I'll be trying to perfect this line as much as I can. And you can make it as thick as you want to. And this is the difference. As you can see, adding thickness right on the outer corner is going to make your eyes look a lot more extended. I feel like this is a huge difference. Like, eyeliner can really shift the way your eyes look. Another thing that you can do in order to really make your eyes look more cat-like is do that kind of an inner corner wing. That's going to help extend your eye in both sides, let's say. Like right now the outer corner is extended, but if we extend the inner corner as well, it's going to make your eyes even more extended and cat-like. Okay, I'm going to just show you. So doing a little extension here. Just use the tip of the liner and do little strokes. Like that. A tiny wing. And again, really helps elongate the eye overall. And now you can apply mascara, false lashes, whatever you like. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope it was useful and you learned something from this video. I really love looking at these differences. Like, I feel like makeup can do so much. And also let me know in the comments what side you prefer. I usually just go for this side. I feel like it makes my eye look a little bit more mysterious, more sexy, and I really like that look. Anyways, hope you're having an amazing day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!